I'm Chef Candace Conley, and I'm going to show you how to make a pizza with pears, prosciutto, walnuts, blue cheese, and spinach. Now, that has a lot of ingredients, so I like to use one of the pre-made pizza crusts because they're a little bit heavier and they'll stand up to all those ingredients. But I start the pizza with a little bit of olive oil just to moisten it. Then I layer on the spinach, followed by the pear, a little bit of prosciutto, because prosciutto is quite salty in flavor and it goes a long way. A little bit goes a long way. Then some chopped walnuts, and finally we finish it with blue cheese. Then we're going to go into the oven at 450 degrees. That's a pretty hot oven, so it doesn't take very long. And I put the pizza crust right on the oven rack so that it gets nice and crispy. Then you just let it cook for about 5 to 8 minutes until the cheese has melted. And then you've got this beautiful pizza and you're ready to go. I hope you enjoy it.